If you're in the EU and an iPhone user, get ready for some big changes. Apple is finally giving you more control over your iPhone than ever before. Want to ditch Safari for Chrome? Replace iMessage with WhatsApp? Well, soon you'll be able to do that and a whole lot more. Let's dive in. So, what's actually changing? Starting later this year, Apple is rolling out a new feature in the settings menu called Default Apps. This means EU users will have the freedom to choose their preferred apps for things like phone calls, messaging, keyboards, and even password management. Yep, that means you can finally set your favorite third-party apps as the default instead of Apple's pre-installed ones. And it doesn't stop there. In the spring of 2025, Apple will expand these options to include navigation apps, translation services, and even call spam filters. So, if you've ever wanted to make Google Maps your default navigation app or use your favorite translation app without Apple interfering, your wish is about to come true. Now, here's a real game changer. Apple will soon let you delete most of their built-in apps. We're talking about the App Store, Messages, Camera, Photos, and Safari. You heard that right. Want to completely ditch Safari and go all in on Chrome or Firefox? Soon, you'll be able to do just that. The only apps that you won't be able to delete are Settings and Phone. But still, this level of customization is something iPhone users have been asking for years. And it's all happening thanks to some serious regulatory pressure from the European Union. Speaking of browsers, Apple is also tweaking its browser choice screen. This is the screen that pops up when you first open Safari, letting you choose an alternative like Chrome, Firefox, or DuckDuckGo. The big change. Apple will now require EU users to scroll through the entire list of available browsers before making their choice. Plus, each browser's App Store description will be shown right there on the screen. Why the change? It's all about transparency and giving you, the user, more informed choices. And here's something cool for developers. They'll now get access to more data about how users interact with this screen. This could lead to even better and more competitive third-party browsers. So, why is all of this such a big deal? It's simple, Apple is finally loosening its grip on the iOS ecosystem. For years, they've kept everything tightly controlled, but now, they're giving you more freedom to customize your iPhone to fit your needs. This is a massive win for user choice, and it opens the door for third-party apps to thrive in ways we haven't seen before. And let's be honest, this is all thanks to the EU's Digital Markets Act, which is pushing big tech to be more open and competitive. So, if you're in the EU, you can thank your regulators for these changes. What do you think about these changes? Will you be customizing your iPhone with third-party apps, or are you sticking with Apple's default options? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.